Okay, forget the next social media app or a slightly faster phone. We're pulling back the curtain on a secret in Silicon Valley that's so big, so guarded, it changes everything. We're talking about a race, a high-stakes game fueled by billions of dollars, to solve the one problem that has haunted humanity forever, death itself.
You see, the real prize here, the ultimate goal, it's not a smarter algorithm. It's the end of aging. And this isn't some sci-fi fantasy. We've got sources deep inside these labs, and they're confirming it. Fortunes are being poured into these incredibly advanced, top-secret AI models with one single, absolutely audacious goal in mind: to make dying optional.
But that right there, that raises a question that's honestly chilling. If they actually succeed, if AI solves death, it forces us all to ask something that cuts to the very core of who we are. And it's a question that could literally rewrite the future of our species. So let's dive into the first part of this. Our investigation has uncovered this deeply secretive effort. Internally, they're calling it Project Chronos. And its mission? Well, it's as simple as it is mind-bending. To fundamentally hack our own biology. To take aging and turn it from something inevitable into just another problem to be solved.
So the big question is, how is this even possible? I mean, it sounds like pure science fiction, right? Well, the answer lies in a completely revolutionary approach that really only the most powerful AI today could even attempt. It's a two-step process that stops treating the human body like a mystery and starts treating it like what it is, an incredibly complex data system just waiting to be decoded.
And the process itself is, on the surface, deceptively simple. First, the AI acts as the ultimate predictive engine. It scans you, it learns you, and it identifies your body's specific weaknesses with, frankly, terrifying precision. Then, once it knows what's going to fail, it becomes the ultimate bioengineer, designing personalized therapies to step in and fix the problem before it can ever become fatal. It's that simple: prediction, then intervention. The key to all this predictive power is something they call the digital twin. And I want you to really picture this. Imagine an AI creating a perfect, living, data-driven model of you. It's built from everything: your entire genome, all your blood markers, your lifestyle data, you name it. And this digital copy of you, it then runs millions of simulations, basically fast-forwarding your life, aging you in seconds, to pinpoint the exact biological clock that's ticking down for you, and to predict with absolutely chilling accuracy how your story is set to end.
But look, predicting the problem is only half the battle. Once the AI knows how you're programmed to fail, it starts the real work: preventing it. And this is where it gets really wild. This is where the AI shifts gears from being a diagnostician to becoming a molecular architect, designing brand new therapies from scratch. And listen, we are not talking about better vitamins or a new diet plan here. The AI is engineering drug cocktails and gene therapies that are so complex it would be impossible for human scientists to even dream them up. It's going after the very engines of aging at the cellular level. We're talking about clearing out those nasty inflammatory zombie cells that build up as we get older, and even repairing the fraying ends of our DNA, our telomeres, which are literally our body's own mortal countdown clock. So let's be absolutely clear. The goal of a project like Chronos isn't just to add a few more healthy years to your life. No. The potential they are chasing is a fundamental rewrite of what it means to be human, adding not just decades, but potentially centuries to a single lifespan. But, and this is a huge but, this godlike power comes with a terrifying price, because this incredible leap forward for some of us could end up creating the deepest, most permanent, most unfair division in the entire history of our species. Think about it. A technology this powerful will be without a doubt the single most valuable product ever created. And that immense value, well, it creates an economic barrier so high, it effectively puts a wall around eternal life, locking out the vast majority of the human race. And that leads to this. This is the unavoidable consequence. You'd have a society fractured not just by wealth or status, but by mortality itself. On one side, an immortal elite who have access to these therapies, accumulating power and resources for centuries. And on the other, a mortal class, serving them living and dying on a normal timescale. This isn't just a wealth gap anymore, it's a full-blown evolutionary divide. So this brings us to the ultimate choice, the one we all have to face. Because this technology, it's not science fiction anymore. It's on the horizon. And we have to decide, right now, what it's all going to mean for us.
So we're left with this one final question. Is conquering death our greatest scientific triumph? Or, if the price we pay is our shared humanity, does it actually become our ultimate tragedy? The race is on, and the world as we know it is hanging in the balance. Believe me, the future's coming a lot faster than you think.